Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2017 Nissan Frontier. I'm going to show you how to change a bulb in a tail light, stop light. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is open the tailgate. And if you look in here, these are the nuts that hold it in, the screws. It's a Phillips screw head, or you can use a 10mm on a socket. And I got a screwdriver head here. This is really easy. I'm going to give you a quick video. Take the first one out. Like I said, there's two, and there's usually some retainers, some push pins that hook it, that hold it in as well. So we're going to take the second one out. And once that's out, this is also held in by a grommet. So what you want to do, try to wiggle it. It doesn't come out very easy. I'm going to put one hand here and hit it with the other hand, but since I'm filming it, I have to use one hand, so we're going to hit it, and there it goes. It popped out. There's your push pin, and there is the grommet that holds it in. So I'm going to change the assembly. Just unscrew the light bulbs. If you need to change a bulb, twist the bulb out. And there's the bulb. You pull it straight out. There's a little number on that black area down there. Right down there. Or you can call your local supply house and tell them what the application is for, whether it's a turn light, stop light, is a turn light or reverse light. They'll supply it to you for the make and model of the vehicle. And then you just put everything back the way you took it apart. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching, and I hope it helped. Please subscribe. Take care.